Top 5 lessons I've learned from spending almost $1 million for clients on Facebook ads. 4, if you think you made enough content for a campaign, make 3 times as much. I cannot state this enough. You need more content. I am that person. I get on all of my clients. I get on them because it's not enough content, yo. You talking about showing something to somebody 7, 11 times. What happens when you see the same ad too many times? You skip past it, right? So you don't have enough content. It's because you got to constantly be testing, seeing what's working, flipping around. Now, a very good ad can be running for years, right? I've ran them. I've had them ran before. But if you have multiple products, especially, you're going to have to figure it out multiple times. And it's likely that you don't have enough content, right? When you don't have enough content, you're probably testing things that nobody likes. And that's why you're not getting the results you want. You haven't found the content that's a winner yet. So in order to find the winner, you need enough content to get there. Make more content.